Okay, we're going to do a real quick basic program. We'll turn on the IP420. We're going to hit the M key. That's for sewing. This is for programming. So we'll push the programming button. M key. Gives you this screen. It's what's going to ask you about erasing data. Just accept that. Here's your screen for writing your program. So this is just a quick start to get you on a basic program. First thing you want to do here is notice we're at 0, 0, 0. There's your coordinates. You're at the 0 point. You need to jump to a location point, so we'll push this key here, which is jump, and accept the jump speed. Now we're in jump mode. So by depressing the arrows, we can go and locate our starting point, and we can go directly to it, or we can put in little stopping points for it, which I like to do. And let's say we're going to start right here. We're going to accept the jump. The machine will go back and trace this program. So this is where we're going to start our sewing. And it's at X negative 2860 and Y 3100. Okay, so we're just going to do a simple point A to point B type sewing. So we'll go over here and select the line stitching. Default is a 2mm stitch. We're going to make that 3.5, so just put in 35. It says accept that, so you want 3500. Okay, now all we have to do is hit the arrows here, and I'm going to actually follow the jump corner. So we want that as our first point. So this bottom left here is for your line A to B. Don't hit that one, it's a spline one, so just go click, you got that point, and then just draw your program. Point A to point B. Pretty straightforward. And if you remember your coordinate that you started with in the Y, which I forgot, you could put that in so you could be exactly on the same line. So I mean, that's pretty it. So when you're done, put all your points in, accept this. What it's going to do, it's going to go back here and trace what you just put in. Okay. So now that we've traced it, we probably want to put in a thread trim. To get to, these are the basic functions, but if you want to get all the functions, hit this little magnifying glass right here. And you could list all the functions. And thread trimming is number one, so we'll hit, if we want to trim, accept it, it's asking us to verify that and say, yeah, we want a thread trim. So now, we could save the program right now by the arrow going to the right says save it, and the other one is bringing a program forward. But you might want to test it first, so we're going to do a little test real quick. So in order to test this program, you hit the test key. And it's telling you it's being prepared. You got that familiar blue screen that comes up when you go to sew. If you want to change the tension, you can, and things like that. So go ahead and hit the set ready. You get the green screen. Machine is ready to sew. Perform your sewing. If everything looks good, you want to go back to the programming mode. Re-hit that set ready. Get the blue screen and hit the little X up here. And this puts us back where we started in the programming mode. If everything is good and you want to keep it, go up here and hit the save button like so. You hit the save button, and you'll notice right now it's telling it's going to be vector data. It's going to default to a program number 1. We'll just give it something else like 99. Okay, and you can save it to. You're going to have to change the little prompt on program versus vector, and we'll show you that here in a second. So to get out of the programming mode and go back into the sewing mode, just hit the M key, kind of reverse what you did to get in here. Select sewing mode, hit the M key. It's telling you it's going to erase the data that's in the RAM. You know, get ROM, just get rid of that right now, and you'll be back in the sewing mode. So you got the blue screen with no program number, so you're going to need to select something. So what you're going to want to do is touch that right in the middle. These are the programs that are on the machine. But if you just wrote a program, it's going to be in what's called the vector file. So you're going to need to look over there, because if you notice 99 doesn't exist here. So hit this little button here and it's going to ask you, do you want program numbers or vector data? So hit that one, like so, and accept it. Now there's the program 99. So if we wanted to do program 99, we'd say, yeah, we want that one. You can change, certain parameters here. It's converting it over to be sewn, and there's your program 99. And